This is another 3 video. I've been doing a lot of 3 videos lately. I'm going to show you today the 3 options that you have for eyeliner with Mary Kay. So we have the pencil, we have a pen eyeliner, and then we have the gel eyeliner, which comes with a little brush and it's in a little palette like that. I'm going to demonstrate them all on my hand. Let's start with the pencil. Okay, it's a soft crayon almost. It's not like a hard pencil. So we're going to demonstrate on my hand. All right. That's the texture of this one. Can you see? It's kind of soft. All right, moving on to the pen. Okay, this one's good in precision to use for doing things like a cat eye. So I'm going to demonstrate that one next. That'll be our number 2 here. You can see it's a lot skinnier and more precise. Okay, very good. Now the third one takes a little practice. It's got this little brush. Okay, I personally wish the brush was a little longer. It's trickier to hold on to. And then you just dip it in here and get a little on it. And then you can wipe it right on that edge there. Okay, and I'll do that as our number 3. There you go. So that's the 3 different options we have for eyeliner. My personal favorite, I think, is going to be the middle one, although I use number 1 most of the time lately. Which one would you like to try? Let me know. I'll talk to you later.